In this video, I'm going to be doing an in-depth review and tutorial of the online video repurposing tool called Vidyo.ai. Vidyo.ai works best repurposing content like long-form podcasts or live events such as TED Talks and things like that. So make sure if you don't have an account or if you want to follow along with this tutorial, the link is in the pinned comment of this video and in the description for you to get your free trial. You don't have to put in any details. You just pop in your email and you'll get a completely free trial. So if you'd like to see how to do all of this, stick around and I'm going to show you right now. First of all, I need to find a piece of long form content that I want Vidyo.ai to repurpose. I know that the Andrew Huberman clips are very popular across all platforms. So I'm going to try and find something that is less than 75 minutes long so I can take advantage of this free trial. Here's one. A live event. It was only posted 1 day ago. So this is, you really want the fresh content that people haven't seen before. So this one is 54 minutes long, which is perfect. And I've just had a quick look at it and it's a live event of Andrew Huberman doing questions and answers in Chicago, Illinois. So this is perfect. All I'm going to do is copy the URL of this YouTube video. You can do that by highlighting the top bar up here and copying that. You can also click share right here and you can just copy this link right here. With Vidyo.ai, you can paste a URL or you can even upload your own video file. So this is a really good tool if you've got your own podcast or you make your own videos where you're talking, and you can repurpose your own content and make lots of short clips. So you can turn one piece of content into 10, 15, 20 pieces of content that you can use across all your social media platforms. So for now, I'm going to paste the URL of that YouTube video and I'm going to select Start Import. We now tell Vidyo.ai whether we want the square format for LinkedIn, Twitter, which is now X, and Facebook, the portrait format, which will be for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, or the landscape, which is typically used for YouTube. I am going to be selecting portrait. We can now select from some different templates. So you can have like a different style where it's actually like the full video in the middle. It'll put some nice captions above and below it, or you can just have the full video here with the captions down there. You can select different formats of captions, different styles. So I'm just going to go back and I think maybe just this second one here looks good for the moment. I'm going to test that one. It just looks like it's got some nice clean captions and I want just the portrait version of the video. So it asks you to actually select 3 of these. So I'm going to do that one as well. And then I'm going to try this one with this weird looking font here. And let's hit continue. You can personalize your videos so you can actually put your own handle in that if you like. For the moment, I am not going to do that. But if you do that, it just helps people from ripping off your content basically. I'm just going to hit done. It says here, we are processing your video. It can take up to 30% of the time of your video length and we'll send you an email when it's done. You can save your preferences for next time if you like. And I'm going to select go to dashboard. So because that was about an hour long, I can expect this to take around 15 to 20 minutes to process this, and I will join back with you as soon as it's done. I just got an email notification and it only took about 12 minutes, which is fantastic. So let's have a look at the clips that Vidyo.ai has created for us. It says we've generated 13 chapters, 23 shorts from your video. Let's go. It gives each short a optimization score, which means that it uses AI to determine how successful they think it will be on social media. Let's have a look at this first one and see if it's ready to upload, basically.
So what do we know? We know based on really good data that shift work is bad for us. It's just bad. We're a diurnal species. We're not nocturnal. But thank you, shift workers, because you essentially keep us all safe and make the world go round.
So that's fine. I think that's usable as a short clip. Lots of shift workers would like to hear about that. And it tells us that is just a 26-second clip. So I found that shorter clips work really well. If we find some good clips here that we think are going to be great for our social media and we want to post them straight away, just select the clip here and then we're going to select the edit and download video. From here, you can make a few small tweaks. You can change the template if you like. You can change the subtitles. You can change these little elements here that it's popped in there. But if you just like it the way it is, you can just select download video. Because I'm currently on the free trial of this, it's not going to let me do it at 1080p, but it will let me download it at 720p, and I'm going to select confirm. From here, it'll automatically download that video for you, and I just have to choose a place to pop it. With this method, you can easily create dozens of clips every day, and you can be running, various social media channels in different niches, and you can just be bulk uploading content. And the more content you put out, the more chance you have to go viral, and you've got an account on your hands that can be generating you cash every day. So from here, to upload this to my social media, I can either do it straight from my computer, but I've found it works better if I airdrop this or send it to my phone and then upload it directly through my social media apps on the phone, onto Instagram Reels, onto YouTube Shorts, and onto TikTok. So that concludes my review of the online video repurposing tool, Vidyo.ai. If you want to sign up for a free trial, make sure you do use the link that I have left in the description and the pinned comment, because if you ever go on to use a paid plan of Vidyo.ai, that link contains a special discount. That discount will apply to the monthly and the yearly payment options. Thank you so much for watching. Again, drop a like and a subscribe while you're here, and we'll see you in the next video.